Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of the VTS replacement card, an exciting new product that's sure to revolutionize the way we manage our finances. Imagine a credit card that offers you up to 5% back on all your purchases, with no annual fee or minimum spending requirements. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, VTS has proven it's possible. With the VTS replacement card, you can earn rewards at a rate of $0.01 per point. In other words, if you accumulate 100 points, you'll receive a $1 credit. And don't worry about meeting certain requirements. There are no annual fees or minimum spending requirements attached to this card. But that's not all. To sweeten the deal even more, VTS is currently offering a 50,000 point sign-up bonus when you spend $250 within your first 3 months of account opening. This bonus is equivalent to a $50 credit and can be easily achieved with everyday purchases like groceries and utility bills. So why wait? Sign up for the VTS replacement card today and start earning rewards while you shop. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tech updates and tips. Until next time.